Hello and welcome to DeNooyer Automotive's virtual showroom. While our service and parts departments remain open for essential repairs and maintenance, our sales department is currently in a holding pattern until April 13th. During this time, we are available remotely to answer questions and help guide your decision-making process regarding upcoming vehicle purchase needs. So please call us, email us, chat with us. We can even set up a video conference, Skype, Zoom, whatever it may be. We have all that available. We know that when things start getting back to some normalcy, which we hope is soon, people will need reliable transportation, and we're setting up to do that right now. To that end, we put in place a vehicle reservation system, and we are setting appointments for future business. Right now, we anticipate that being around April 13th. What that means is that after speaking with us, if you're ready to lock in an anticipated vehicle purchase, we'll put a reservation on the vehicle and schedule an appointment for you to drive it. Confirm your purchase decision and move forward with the deal. So please reach out to us and let's start the conversation right now. We are happy to do business with you right away. Thank you.